In this tutorial, I will show you how to use StackedBarChart. So let's create a new project. As you can see, I'm using JDK 17.0.1 without any dependencies. Let's change the our own title. Let me say JavaFX StackedBarChart. You should be able to see two Java source code and one module, and then fxml. So let's remove module info. OK. Hello application. Let me change to application. Then controller. Then fxml I will change to view.fxml so that we can do non-modular programming. Refactor to refactor. Let's go and add JavaFX Library, project structure, libraries. We are not using Maven now. Let's remove it all. Now we can add JavaFX Library. In my case, it's under program files, Java, then JavaFX SDK 17.0.1 library. OK. This is what I have for JavaFX library. Let's open in SceneBuilder. Copy. Let's remove VBox. I'm going to use anchor paint. Paste it so that your controller can find the JavaFX XML documents. Okay, let's look for StackedBarChart. It comes with the category axis and number axis. For title of StackedBarChart, we can say income. FX ID, we can just use StackedBarChart. Category axis, we can say X axis. Then we'll say months. This is going to be Y axis. Let's say sales in thousands. Okay, save it. Return to IntelliJ IDEA. Then we can add data field. There should be two more. Y-axis. Okay, let's change to private. Now you can use fxml annotation. 1 more. So there should be 3 fxml. Okay, this is comes with a previous example, so let's remove. Let's implement initializable interface. It means we need to implement abstract method called initialize. Okay. So if you look at here, stack bar chart, we can specify string and double. XY chart, series, and then string and double. Same as the line number 16. Let's say series 2020. New XY chart. Okay, same string and double. One for months and then another one for sales in double value. Okay, this series I will say 2020. Let's add some data to this series 2020. New XY chart data, and then say January. You can use double value. Okay, double, string and double. Let me repeat, maybe 2 more. You can change to February, March. You can adjust on some numbers later on. So let's say 2021. So this should be series 21, 21 and 21. Please adjust some numbers. Now we can use StackedBarChart to get two series 2020 and 21. So you should be able to see that January will be pretty much similar, 300 by another 500. February 300 by 600 will be higher. Then March 300 by 200, so smaller one. Okay, let's build project. Okay, let's learn. Before you learn it, we need to have a new computation file application. You can name it as a app. Okay, JDK 17, that's okay. Main class, we code it as application Java. Let's add VM options that can point to JavaFX SDK library. So module pass. Okay, pass to your JavaFX SDK library. Just paste it. Add modules. In that library, we are going to use 3 JavaFX library: controls, fxml, and graphics. Apply. apply. Okay. Now you should be able to run it. JDK 17.0.1, JavaFX SDK 17.0.1. As we can see, January is bigger and February is tallest one, March is smallest one. Okay, bars on each other, 20, 20, 20, 21. Okay, that's all. Thank you.